Welcome. Apologies for not streaming last Monday. Peidio ffrydio dydd Mawrth llun dwytha. So I'm trying to do Minecraft, I think, just specifically on Mondays. Monday for Minecraft Monday. But I kind of went on. So basically, while I was building, Minecraft crashed on about Monday morning. Pan o'n i'n chwarae bore dydd Llun, pan o'n i'n chwarae, Minecraft crashed. Nath Minecraft crashio, so it's alright. I didn't lose too much data. Just rebuilt everything. It's okay. Mae'n iawn. It's perfect. Fuel is fine. Nothing fuel was gone. It was the rest of the stream. So I did do a tour. I've also got I have been actually doing stuff on YouTube, doing extra pethau on YouTube. So I've got like little videos of the full tour of Fuel on YouTube now. So let me plug that in Welsh and English and Cymraeg a Saesneg, as long as like some BSL and stuff. I'm trying to figure out stuff. But yeah. So that is the link there. I have made a few changes from the last stream. Dwi'n neud bach mwy o newidiadau. So the only change I've done for Fuel is behind here, in actual real life, you've got Bruce Dickinson's autograph. Autograph Bruce Dickinson and stuff. So I've kind of done the best I could with putting like Bruce Dickinson, Minecraft, and then I tried with that autograph Minecraft, autograph Bruce Dickinson Machine Head, sorry, not Minecraft. I'm gonna start doing the thing where like the date I finished them, I think to show that they're finished building when adeiladu wedi gorffan, I'm gonna put like this little bit here, little plaque to say one's finished but I'll dig again, unless you guys want to, or you know, it's up to really. But I think today we're going to concentrate more on the moon and showing you what progress I've done for Womanby stream. Stream ffrydio heddiw yw mwy ar y moon a'r progress ni'n neud ar Womanby Street. Also, I'm going to put, so for the bouncers, I think it's a really cute idea, ar gyfer bouncers. Dwi neud iron golems, I think they're really cute, so each building when they're finished will have a bouncer, because I think that's quite cute. There's a little thing to like they're finished as well, so little things. Also, diolch. Thank you so much to everybody who, if you do follow me on like Instagram and stuff, or any like on Facebook and thing, that I basically put a little video up and Fuel liked it, and you know, a lot of my friends liked it. It was really nice and really like all the comments and memories and stuff of it. So diolch I pawb am licio'r video now. It was a short video, it was about 3 minutes, but yeah, diolch pawb. Thank you pawb for liking that video. It's really appreciated. I really like how you guys like it and stuff, and reminds you cofio chi o Fuel. So when I'm not streaming, because I'll be doing this every Monday, or if you guys would prefer me to go back to Welsh medieval stuff and do more folklore and like the medieval historical stuff, let me know. I'm having lots of fun with this project compared to the other one. I think I might do a series. Neud series fel hwn, a mynd nôl i'r hanesyddol Cymraeg, and then go back to like the historical medieval one. I'm not sure. So work in progress. But yeah, so I've done that with Fuel. I've done a load to the street. Dwi'n neud lot i'r stryd, so I'll show you some work in progress stuff. I've learned a lot as well. Thank you to Sam Harris on Instagram and a fellow Fuel patron, who recommended to do the posters but with maps and stuff instead of the painting. So I can get like definite like pictures and just not generic stuff up. I'm gonna experiment more with that. Dwi'n mynd i brofi mwy na cyn I fi rhoid ar y wal. I'll probably do that off stream because see me fail. And then I've got like an idea how to do some string lights across here with like fences. It's a thing I've got a few, like I like experimenting off stream and then showing you after. This is to stop the ivy growing just for now. Just ar gyfer rwan I stop yr ivy'n Cymraeg tyfu. A wedyn, once it's finished, pan mae'n di goffen, I'll, like, the street's finished, I'll let it grow back. I'm learning a lot. I'm really liking how, so this is like the abandoned building across from here. So this is new. Mae hwnna newydd o undwytha. I did do the scale of this wrong, but I'm not changing it. It's too much work. And when I know there's gone a lot of waith that's gone into it. I have done the, so this is the Cardiff Flea Market. Externally, it's all done. Tu allan, it's all done. Go into here. Internally, tu fewn, it's still needs a little bit more work done to it. But it's getting there. I'm in dinner. It's really working out. So I'll do a little bit of this tour and then I'll start building. We'll start building the moon. So that's one that I'm going to be doing on stream. This is now, so I'm going off old pictures, dwi'n mynd yn ôl o hen lluniau and just kind of what I remember. This had like a bunch of pictures, but recently it's not Jack Wills. There's an Irish bar that was meant to come in here in April 2020 and it's got like all the posters and stuff up. Na bar Gwyddelig fod I mynd yna in April 2020. Obviously 2020 happened. So there's like, I don't know, it's like Jack Wills. It's like a Jack Wills or Jack something posters up there now, but I've kind of gone with the old like abandoned look because I think it's more suiting the street and what I know of Womanby Street. So dwi'n mynd efo'r hen abandoned because it's more with what I like or like what I remember of Womanby Street, and I think it creates a bit of different building texture wise to the more nicer buildings hefyd. Mae'n neud texture gwahanol i'r stryd. Then this is Nissa, which is the local shop. I don't know what it was before Nissa. Dwi'n cofio beth oedd cyn Nissa. But I really like how this scale works really pretty. It's kind of become one of my favourite buildings just because of it looks like it is and it looks nice. And in Minecraft, mae'n edrych yn really nice. I edrych like Minecraft way. And then do like shop interior in here because I'm not going to do the interiors of all the buildings. Like this is like decorating buildings with a building decorate like just to fill the street up, but because you can see inside it, I'm going to put a shop there. And this is Dempsey's, the almighty Dempsey's. More powerful Dempsey's. Now it is 11th Street, but it will always be remembered as Dempsey's. And there's another little problem, which is it should come out about here. Those have a goffan fama, but because of the scale of the windows and stuff, it's gone a bit ahead. So in the actual real life, and bywyd go iawn, you've got Cardiff Castle here, the Castell Cardiff, and then the street here you can see all the way down to Queen Street and past the Roma Tavern, to gallu gweld holl ffordd lawr Queen Street to Roma Tavern and all that. But obviously this bit is a bit built, but I spent a few hours doing this yesterday, and I just can't get it any smaller. The scale works, I can't get it any smaller, so maybe in the future I'll come back and try and scale it down a bit, but I'm happy with it. It's not meant to be to scale, as much as it does annoy me, because like I like it a particular way and I wanted it to finish and look all nice and finish on the same like par or like block as Nissa, and I just got for an amser to make it look all nice so that when you came out on the street it was like real life and you were like ach, and bywyd go iawn, and then you would be like, oh that's cool, Canton and Angel Hotel and stuff that way, and then you'd be able to see Queen Street all the way down that way. But it is what it is. I'm happy with it. I'm going to keep it there for now until I might change it. So yeah, so that's the progress down here, down this end. I've done a lot. I didn't think I'd done that much progress. I'm meddwl bod i'n neud cyn gymaint o progress, on actually I have done quite a bit. Yeah, and it's at this point building this that the game crashed. The game crashed. I thought, oh, that's fun. That was fun when the game crashed. So I haven't done any of the interiors, like I said last time. So we will be doing the moon, the moon. I've done a bit more of this part of the world. There's also, I need to think about stuff. So in the Google Maps, like the direct image I compared it to in Google Maps and lle yn dwi directly cymharu i, this bit has actually got more of a raised roof and it comes down to about here, so there's nothing past here. And then this yellow building, which is Gatekeeper, building yma, block mill yma yn talach na building yma, is taller, but I don't know, I'm gonna keep it like that for now, see how I feel about it, because it works, because it's really awkward, and really awkward because the moon and the fuel and stuff, everything inside is so long backwards because it's Minecraft. So I'm gonna try and figure out something around that maybe. And then yeah, so this is, I've kind of built the rest of the club, or the outside club. This has got a really pretty not graffiti, but like art mural of a woman. I don't remember the name of the artist, sorry, I'm cofio the artist, and mural neis o ddynas and smoking area. This is still a work in progress, but this is like the side, which actually I'm really happy with, and I don't know what these stairs lead to. I'm going to be grisia Mindy, but it's, you know, I just put a little door there to make it a bit more sense. Oh, you can't. Oh, that's annoying. Okay. Yeah, let's go there. These are all drains that I'm using. The fences here, that's an actual fence. But the fences against the buildings, the fences in Erbyn Awalia is like all drains and stuff coming down from the ceiling. Yeah, so as you can see, so I've got a bit of, all the buildings go far back. My building's been quite small because of how much it takes me to build it, with the stages, the chairs and everything in the buildings, about cadeiria, chairs and everything. But it takes a while. This actually is the entrance, one of the entrances to the Castle Street. Is it Castle Street Arcade? Yes, Castle Street Arcade. Arcade Castle Street. And basically in the daytime all these gates are open, but I've just done this because it's just more filler for the street itself to make it look, you know, more like Womanby Street. And this is loading bay. It's like smoother. It's smoother. It's like more smooth in real life because it's like lorries and stuff come down here, and I've done these for like green bins. That's the best I could do. But I kind of really like how they did it, and like industrial. Oh no, you don't work. Oh, that's annoying. Okay. So I give us a binya. I think it fits the aesthetic. And then yes, basically this leads to, there's nothing behind it actually now, but in real life, go iawn, it leads to the back of Castle Street, and there's like tunnels to the Castle Street Arcade where you have like rules of play, Madame Fromage, Trout Mats, which is a second-hand bookshop. What's the cafe called? Really nice cafe. There's a joke shop in there. You've got I think it's WMC in there as well, that do stuff in the Cardiff Bay Theatre thing. Oh, what's the name of it? But you know. But yeah, so yeah, mae'n tunneli lawr fanna, and basically it's a way of loading and getting out of there. Getting out of like the Castle Street Arcade when the things are shut, which I might actually do Castle Street. Actually, I need Castle Street. Yeah, so back to the rest. So this is more filler now. Sorry if you're here for the actual building of the moon. Sorry, it's about building the moon. I'm just going to show progress so far, and then we'll just carry on for the rest of the stream, building the moon, and then I'll do the bootlegger next time, because I think building up is better than building down. Yeah, so sorry if I'm adeiladu'r moon. I'm just going to do these little progress things. Then nawn ni adeiladu tu fewn y moon a adeiladu fyny, a wedyn cael bootlegger wedyn. So yeah, so we have got all these buildings are basically empty, but I think in real life they're like offices. This is like a green little thing with electric box in real life, box electric in real life. But yeah, I've kind of done it. It's more filler, just to make it look like you're going down. Maybe I've gone overboard with this street. I've literally gone mad over street, I don't know. And then you got Gatekeeper, which is a spoons. So I'm not actually going to build the Gatekeeper. Did I plan? I did, yeah, you can't really see it. Not actually going to build it. I need to put some more lights here and then mwy o golau ar tu allan on the outside. I'm not going to actually build the inside. I'm not going to stream the inside or either, because I'm trying to concentrate on more the independent places. Dwi'm yn mynd I actually ffrydio adeiladu tu fewn yr Gatekeeper na adeiladu tu fewn o. Dwi eisiau concentratio ar yr busnesau annibynnol a'r pubs annibynnol and the pubs and stuff, and kind of more my own experience, but you know, it is what it is. Don't video. Then you've got, I think these are just more offices to my knowledge, man, just more offices, but run in peth, run in process, just more filler. This, I'm really proud of this one. I'm really hoffi on how it came out. This is Westgate House, which I think is a mixture of flats and offices. Westgate. It's got like Westgate House here. I can't unfortunately write it on there. Dwi'm yn gallu sgwennu arno fo. I'm super happy with how this turned out. It messed the scale up of that street massively. And the door scale, a scale just on Minecraft, because I just on Minecraft and so the doors in Minecraft are a block of 2. I shall show you now. So I think in the future I would try and do more to scale, or like one scale. So this is off scale to some of the other buildings, and off scale buildings eraill, basically. Oh, I can't. There you go. So yeah, you see, so that's a door. All that's a door. Mae hwnna'n gyd hwnna'n dros. That's a Minecraft door. And when I zoom out, you have to gweld, it doesn't quite work with the scale of the building. Dwi'n quite gweithio hefo'r faint o fawr mae'r adeilad. So that's unfortunate. I'm quite gweithio, but it's all good. So these are like doors and stuff, but this, like I said again, this is another filler one, so it didn't really matter that there's no actual doors to it. I'm just really happy with how it turned out, and it's a fancy ass building. I'm building adeilad fancy, so I'm just really happy with how it turned out. Sorry. Also, I never realised there's an entrance to bar 44 here, which has actually got like this is, I've done it as one door. Like, oh, this is a door. I should have probably done a blue one, but the scale it wouldn't work. It's a scale more gweithio. Yeah, so an entrance to bar 44, which I think is a task place, and the actual like main entrance is on that side of the street, which is Westgate Street. Mae'r main entrance ar ochr arall sef Westgate Street. Then I've still got, that's so like perspective building, so it's just a marker for me. It's nothing at the moment, but that's going to be the NCP car park. Mae'n just marker I fi ar gyfer adeiladu. Then that car park NCP. Then you have Sully's there, City Arms, the corner shop, which I might actually build because you go there quite often, and then a sandwich shop, and then the shop sandwich. This is more known as Tiny Rebel now. A load of people still call it Urban Tap House. So it used to be a club before, but Tiny Rebel is a Welsh brewery, and brewery Cymraeg based off just near Newport, just on Newport, and this was their first bar. It was called Urban Tap House at the time, no, Urban Tap House, and now it's changed to Tiny Rebel, and I think they've only got a specifically main bar in another bar in Newport and Casnewydd, but I know they do deliver all around the world and stuff. Their Imperial State Puffed is beautiful, so nice. Then yeah, so you got like a dentist here, you have City Arms there, dentist, the City Arms. Then this build is haunting my place right now, which is really annoying. It's just too much to build. I'm not building at the moment, so don't know if not many people know. Also, lots of people on Goodwood, but this is actually a place called Jones Court. I think I've seen it. Curtis Jones, and Womanby Street, and a lot of Cardiff, like not Adamsdown, but there was a place between Adamsdown and the main city centre, which was Irish slums, and there was Pub the Vulcan, which I'll be doing, and Pub Vulcan, which I will be building. That pub, which is and Goody Who was one of them, which I will be doing Goody Who, because Goody Who will be doing Goody Who, and I'll be streaming doing Goody Who as well, because Goody Who was an establishment in itself, and it was one of the few independent places we had left in Cardiff for like proper indie music and nights and comedy nights. Brilliant Caterpillar night run by my good friend James Dunn, who does stuff online and stuff as well. Now with it, I think I need to double check that, but in Jones Court, going back to Jones Court, Minoli Curtis Jones, there's actual the slum buildings are still here, and they've been turned into offices. Mae'r bildio adeiladu slums dal yma, and they've been turned into offices and stuff. So this is going to be a really big build, so I've kind of just left it blank for now and decided to work on the other bit. She got all blanco, and I decided to work on something else, because that's how my brain works. So hence why I haven't done the Welsh Medieval for a while. Dyna pam dwi'n gwneud yr adeiladu medieval ar gyfer ages. So my brain kind of went meh with it. But I do want to build Harlech Castle. Dwi angen adeiladu Castle Harlech a bod dim yn ôl. So that will be coming back. It's not gone because it's not finished. You haven't got fan. But yeah, so there's still a lot of progress to do. A lot to tell if it's an. Not sure if I took a bigger project than expected. I'm not sure if I needed project fwy na be ni'n feddwl. But yeah, that's it so far. And what date are we on now? We're on the 8th. 8th of February. So 8th of February, this is all the progress we've done. I'm super happy with it. I'm learning as I go. Dwi'n dysgu fel dwi'n mynd. I do appreciate all the tips and stuff you've been giving, like Sam with the paintings and stuff and the maps and things. I am getting better with building. Dwi'n mynd well fo adeiladu. Fortunately, some of the scale doesn't match up. Do you try your scales? Like these are really big buildings compared to those. They're really small, but in fact they are probably same size-ish. So Mae 'na lot o rai lle diom yn cweit gweithio allan. Mae rhai really bach a rhai really fawr. But it's a work in progress. I'm getting better. Dwi'n mynd yn well. There's just improvements to the street, but I like it as it is at the moment. Like it fel mae yn y bryd. So yeah, but if you do have any tips and stuff, let me know. I got an idea for little fairy. I like these like street lamps that I've done. These don't really work. Dwi'n cael lampiau street dwi wedi wneud. These are meant to be like daylight activating things, so in daylight they turn off and in nighttime they turn on. It's not really working. I don't know if it's underneath the thing or not, but dwi'n really gweithio. I am new to building like this in Minecraft, which is why I want to do this project. I probably should aid adeilad yma. So just building with like just restrict myself with just medieval and old looking stuff, so it's really nice being able to experiment with so many more materials and techniques and stuff. So it'll be interesting going back to the medieval one and knowing what I know now. Fydd yn diddorol mynd nôl fewn i'r byd hanesyddol o like fantasy world Cymraeg, knowing what I know now. Just cael sip paned, sip my tea. So yeah, and then I've also got an idea. I don't know if anybody in chat or watching would know, but I'm doing fair, because I kind of, once all the buildings are done and I'm happy with them, unwaith my buildings di cael ei adeiladu and done, there's like fairy lights and stuff that don't make it so clean. Not clean, dwi'n mynd o more building-y. It makes it more fun with all the street lights and stuff, like little street strings of like fairy lights going across the street. So my idea to do that is with fences and lanterns, but we'll see how that goes. I've got some in mind. That's going to be another little test I'll do off screen. So yeah, so that's Womanby Street, and then progress Womanby Street. That's Womanby Street progress. I might change some of those buildings. You can't really see them, but I don't know. There's a few things I might do off stream. I'll let you know when I get like covered. Like I said, I'll post up on like Instagram and my YouTube and stuff like that. Or little progresses that might necessarily be in the stream or important to the stream. So yes, that's the build so far. Now I did build I did Minecraft so far. I'm gonna put up to this point on YouTube. I'm gonna turn up to the point I'm at YouTube. Just showing you